Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers. And I'll walk you through the whole process so you can get audio working quickly. Open Settings, go to Devices, and choose Bluetooth and other devices. Click Add Bluetooth or other device, pick Bluetooth from the list, and wait for your headphones or speaker to appear. Then click the device name to pair and confirm any PIN if prompted. Once Windows says Connected, check the speaker icon on the taskbar and make sure your Bluetooth device is selected as the playback device. To disconnect, later open Bluetooth and other devices and choose Disconnect or select Remove Device if you want to unpair it completely. Keep your device charged, stay within range, and avoid heavy interference from other wireless gadgets for the best audio quality. That's it. You have learned how to connect Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.